Ever feel like you're stuck in a high-interest credit card labyrinth? You swipe, you pay the minimum, but the balance never seems to budge. Debt consolidation loans are a popular escape route, but where do you even begin? Today, we're diving deep into Borrowell, a Canadian fintech company creating waves in the personal loan space. But the big question, is Borrowell the key that unlocks your financial freedom, or is it just another twisty turn in the maze? Let's rewind a bit. Imagine this, you finally decide to tackle that credit card mountain. You know you need a loan, but with countless lenders out there, how do you find the one with the best rates and terms? That's where Borrowell steps in. They market themselves as the credit score Sherpa, guiding you through the loan application wilderness. Here's the gist, Borrowell doesn't directly issue loans itself. Instead, it acts as a broker, connecting you with a network of lenders in Canada. You sign up for free, Borrowell fetches your credit score, and then, voila! Personalized loan options magically appear on your screen. Each option displays the interest rate, loan amount, and your chances of approval, all based on your unique credit profile. Sounds pretty slick, right? But is it too good to be true? Let's dissect the pros and cons of using Borrowell to find your loan. Convenience is king and queen. Borrowell boasts a user-friendly platform. In minutes, you can assess your creditworthiness and see a buffet of loan options, all without bombarding multiple lenders with inquiries that could ding your credit score. Plus, Borrowell prides itself on transparency. You see the interest rates up front, allowing you to compare and choose the loan that best suits your needs and budget. Budgeting on a shoestring? Borrowell might have your back. Borrowell caters to a wider range of credit scores compared to traditional banks. This means even folks with less than perfect credit history might find themselves approved for a loan with a decent interest rate. This can be a game changer, especially if you're aiming to consolidate high-interest debt. Financial fitness fanatic? Borrowell can be your cheerleader. Borrowell goes beyond just matching you with a loan. They offer free credit monitoring and personalized tips to help you improve your credit score over time. Think of it as a credit health coach, nudging you towards financial well-being. Now, let's talk turkey, the not-so-shiny side. While Borrowell offers undeniable convenience, there are a few things to consider before you jump in. Not the lender, not quite in control. Remember, Borrowell is a broker, not a lender. While they showcase various options, they don't have complete control over the final interest rates or loan terms. These are ultimately determined by the lenders Borrowell connects you with. Beware of the application avalanche. While Borrowell itself doesn't affect your credit score, once you choose a lender and proceed with the application, that lender will likely perform a credit check. This can cause a temporary dip in your score. Is the loan selection all-encompassing? Borrowell boasts a vast network of lenders, but it might not include every single lender in Canada. This means there's a slight chance you might miss out on a hidden gem with a slightly better interest rate. The takeaway, Borrowell, maze escape artist or just another detour? So, is Borrowell the ultimate credit card debt slayer? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. If you value convenience, transparency, and a wider net for loan options, Borrowell can be a valuable tool. However, don't get hypnotized by the initial ease. Remember to compare rates with other lenders outside of Borrowell's network. Ultimately, Borrowell empowers you with information. Use it to your advantage, shop around, and choose the loan that best suits your financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.